If you learn these daily English sentences, you can start speaking English confidently from today. No grammar stress. No difficult words. Only real-life English that Americans use every day. So watch till the end, because today's lesson can change your English forever. Welcome to Speak Like Americans. Today we will learn 1,000 daily use English sentences for real-life conversation. These are beginner-friendly, easy to remember, and super useful for daily speaking. 1,000 daily use English sentences. Part 1, Section 1. Morning routine English. I just woke up. Good morning. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a shower. I am getting ready. Wear your clothes. Comb your hair. Hurry up. I am late. Let's have breakfast. Eat your food. Drink some water. I am leaving now. See you later. Have a nice day. Lock the door. Turn off the light. Don't forget your bag. Let's go. Section 2. Home conversation. Where are you? Come here. Please sit down. Stand up. Open the door. Close the door. Turn on the fan. Turn off the fan. Switch on the light. Switch off the light. Bring me some water. Give me my phone. I am hungry. I am thirsty. What are you doing? I am watching TV. Let's eat together. Clean your room. Go to sleep. Good night. Section 3. Phone conversation. Hello, who is this? Can you hear me? I will call you later. Please call me back. I am busy right now. Hold on a second. The network is bad. Your voice is breaking. Speak louder, please. I missed your call. I am on my way. I reached home. Call me when you arrive. Don't forget to call me. Talk to you later. Section 4. Office English. I am in a meeting. Send me the file. Please check your email. Let's discuss later. I will finish it today. This is urgent. Please be on time. I need your help. Let's work together. I will update you. The work is done. I am working on it. Please wait for a moment. Thank you for your support. See you tomorrow. Section 5. Travel English. Where is the station? I need a taxi. How much is this? Please help me. I want to buy a ticket. Which way should I go? Is this seat empty? Top here, please. Take me to the airport. How long will it take? I am lost. Can you guide me? I need a hotel. Where is the washroom? Thank you very much. Section 6. Emergency English. Call the doctor. I need help. Please hurry. Stay calm. Don't worry. Call the police. It's an emergency. Someone is injured. I feel sick. I have a fever. Please take me to the hospital. I can't breathe properly. Help me, please. Stay with me. Everything will be okay. Practice session. Question 1. You just woke up. What will you say? Correct answer. I just woke up. Repeat after me. I just woke up. Excellent. Question 2. You are leaving home. What will you say? Correct answer. I am leaving now. Repeat after me. I am leaving now. Very good. Question 3. You want someone to hurry. What will you say? Correct answer. Hurry up. Repeat after me. Hurry up. Perfect. Question 4. You want someone to come near you. What will you say? Correct answer. Come here. Repeat after me. Come here. Great. Question 5. You are feeling thirsty. What will you say? Correct answer. I am thirsty. Repeat after me. I am thirsty. Excellent. Question 6. You want someone to close the door. What will you say? Correct answer. Close the door. Repeat after me. Close the door. Amazing. Question 7. You could not answer the phone. What will you say? Correct answer. I missed your call. Repeat after me. I missed your call. Very nice. Question 8. You want someone to call again later. What will you say? Correct answer. Please call me back. Repeat after me. Please call me back. Well done. Question 9. The internet connection is poor. What will you say? Correct answer. The network is bad. Repeat after me. The network is bad. Excellent. Question 10. You are busy in official work. What will you say? Correct answer. I am in a meeting. Repeat after me. I am in a meeting. Great job. Before we end today's lesson, remember one important thing: English is not difficult. Many people think they need perfect grammar, a big vocabulary, or a foreign accent to speak English fluently. That is not true. You only need one thing: daily practice. If you speak a little every day, your English will improve naturally. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start today. Start with simple sentences. Start with confidence. Even small progress is still progress. Fluent English is not built in one day, it is built every single day. So never feel shy. Never be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes show that you are learning. The more you practice, the more confident you become. And confidence is the real key to speaking English fluently. Promise yourself today, I will speak English every day. If you want part 2 of 1000 daily use English sentences, comment part 2. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Speak Like Americans. Keep learning, keep speaking, and speak like Americans.